people, let's move! Let's go! Siri, I need directions to 12 Maryland Place. Hello?
Let me remind you how this works. I kidnap your friend and you pay me. Now give me my money or your friend here gets another hole in his head.
Boss, what holes does he have in his head already?
Oh, well, he's got his ear holes. His nose holes. Mouth hole.
Don't die, phone. Don't die. Joey! I'm coming!
He hung up on me. This guy's always hanging up on me.
Having a charging cable on hand could be a real lifesaver. In Charge is a flat, ribbon cable keychain you take with you everywhere. The tiny charger is looped over a split ring and holds itself together with a strong magnetic clasp that opens flat when you need juice. Available with connectors for both Apple and Android devices, In Charge's inch-long cable gives you the power to stay connected anywhere. Buy it and shop for hundreds more gifts at VAT19.com.
VAT19.com.
You know what? Let's just ice Joey here.
Yeah! You want the sphere ice molds or the astronaut ice cream?
No. Ice him, like, take him out.
Oh, take him out. Yeah, like, you thinking Olive Garden?
That's a stereotype and I don't appreciate it.